today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Docusign's approve and decline fields, 5 minutes. If you've ever needed a simple yes or no decision right inside a document, the approve and decline fields in Docusign make that quick and auditable. They're perfect for internal approvals, budget sign-offs, or acknowledging a policy without adding extra signature lines. Start by signing in to your Docusign account. From the home dashboard, choose Start and upload the document you want to route. This can be a PDF, Word file, or a template you already use. Give it a moment to process, and you'll land on the recipient setup screen. Add your recipient by entering their name and email address, then choose what you want them to do. Needs to sign is best when that person must sign or initial somewhere in the document. Needs to view is useful when the person only needs to review and either approve or decline without adding a traditional signature block. Pick the role that fits your workflow so the recipient sees the correct actions when the envelope opens. Next, move into the Add Fields panel, look for the approve and decline tags, then drag and drop them onto the page where you want the decision captured. Place them clearly, ideally in a section labeled for approvals, so the recipient understands the context. You can use one or both buttons depending on your process. Many teams place them side by side for clarity. With a tag selected, open the Properties panel to fine-tune the experience. You can customize the button text to match your terminology, like approve proposal or decline request, and add concise instructions so the recipient knows exactly what their choice means. Clear guidance here reduces confusion and speeds up responses. It's important to note that approve functions as a signature equivalent in Docusign. When someone clicks approve, their approval is captured with the same audit trail and security you expect from an e-signature. Treat it with the same level of care as a signature and ensure the right people have access. If multiple people are involved, enable set signing order. This ensures the envelope goes to the first approver, then moves to the next person only after approval is complete. It's a reliable way to keep decision-making structured and avoid parallel approvals when sequence matters. When everything looks good, click Send. Your recipient receives a secure email, opens the envelope, and chooses Approve or Decline right in the document. You'll be able to track status and see the result in your Docusign account, complete with a detailed audit trail.